This is our Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 factory, currently for sale at Sargents of Sussex Motorcycles. All details in the link below. So these are a really fabulous thing. By any standard, they must be one of the quickest point-to-point, point-and-squirt motorcycles ever, really. It's a truly wonderful thing. Ballistic performance, incredible handling, lots of electronics on it. It's a factory model with the Olin suspension and the Superpole paintwork, and they come with APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, which comprises the Aprilia Launch Control, Aprilia Traction Control, Aprilia Quick Shift, Aprilia Wheelie Control. So that's the electronics package, which was pretty state of the art for when this bike was new, but even today that's still a fairly impressive package. 175 horsepower from a very musical free revving 1100 V4, 120 foot-pounds. Yeah, it's a bonkers machine, much in the vein of KTM's equally wonderful Super Duke 1290R. So it's a December 15 bike on a 65 plate. The mileage is 12. It has good history. It's original book, lots of service bills and invoices, and has always been maintained by Aprilia specialists and main dealers, namely IM Moto, who supplied it new, Bikers World in East Grinstead, and also Wheels of Peterborough, who sold it just 500 miles ago to its last retail keeper in July 2024. It's in genuinely really lovely condition. It's got to be one of the cleanest that you will see for its age. It really is very nice indeed. It's got some nice extras on it, which are the Puig tinted screen. It's got a radiator guard, very nice tricolor style graphics to the belly pan, which look fabulous. GB engine covers, GB racing engine covers. It's got the must-have Akrapovic carbon exhaust with a really very pretty carbon fibre hanger, and that exhaust has the race map fitted. That was sourced from IM Moto and fitted and uploaded by Bikers World in East Grinstead. So that's all as it should be. It also has an Evotech Performance tail tidy. Consumables very good. It has what are essentially brand new Guamica Italian, high quality Italian discs and pads. It has what is pretty much new DID chain and sprocket kit with Renthal sprockets. Good matching Super Corsa SPs. Condition really nice. Very little to grumble about. Wheels are really nice as well. Everything about it, just lovely. Very well cared for. Clearly loved this bike. It's been the pride of its owners. Always nice to see a gold chain on them. So the mileage is 12169. So a really fabulous machine, very quick and but comfortable, and I think that's why clearly a lot of chaps have come off their super bikes and moved to this kind of stuff, because you still got all the thrill of the superbike type power, but with so much more comfort and usability and rideability. So you know, they are a great machine, and this one is very nice indeed.